Kuala Lumpur, we have two amazing restaurants. We have Flock, our modern Australian cuisine restaurant, and then we have Yen, an exciting venue serving modern Cantonese cuisine. So Flock is an exciting modern Australian style restaurant. Its menu is an eclectic mix of different cuisines. So what I've done is I've formed a collaboration and partnership with some of Malaysia's best small hobby farms, artisans and growers to showcase the best that I can get locally. So Yen was a great project. I had the great opportunity to sit down with Chef Weng and to talk about what his philosophy was. We wanted to take the best of Cantonese cuisine in KL and give it a more modern twist.
WOOBAR is a place where it's a lobby lounge in the morning and it turns into a very cool cocktail bar at night. We actually have 10 signature cocktails that we are premiering. One of them actually comes with a very nice local ingredient that we're using, which is tualang honey. We actually use it as our main ingredient and then we actually serve it onto a log. We try to make it very interactive with the guests, try to get the guests involved, just to give it a different experience between the mixologist and the guests as well.
The Wet Deck is definitely a place where you can come and unwind, enjoy one of the best cocktails in KL, and also experience one of the best musics where we would feature local and international DJs that will be playing here from time to time.